Okay, today's video is about backyard herbs for inflammation and healing the body. So the first thing we're going to talk about is dandelion, okay? This is dandelion root. Dandelion is highly nutritious, contains potent antioxidants, may help fight inflammation, blood sugar, cholesterol, high blood pressure, healthy liver, weight loss, and also helps fight cancer. You can also eat the leaves to the dandelion and the flowers as well. Both are edible, but I would suggest boiling the leaves first. Okay, and these both have been wild harvested in my backyard. You probably step on these every day. They're probably going on the side of your house or in your backyard. But if you use any type of toxic chemicals in your yard when you're wild harvesting, please do not. It's just not edible. It's not usable at all. Okay, so the next thing we're going to talk about is yellow dock. Okay, this is yellow dock root wild harvested. I did a video. This is probably one of my first videos that I did. Grows wild, great for inflammation, digestion, also wonderful for the liver, also helps to promote bowel, great for the gallbladder. This is just a wonderful herb. You can also, it's also great for the skin. I also use the yellow dock root and the leaves for my my hemorrhoid salve. Okay, the leaves, you can make a pellets out of them. These are leaves that I have dried, and you can also, they're also edible as well. But both of these are great for inflammation. If you just look it up, research it, 9 times out of 10, these are probably growing wild in your backyard. And don't forget to get your free ebook.